Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. Today I have a BoxyCharm April 2019 unboxing, as well as information for a giveaway for you guys. So let me first start out by saying that this month was by far the most disappointing month for me with BoxyCharm. I've been a member for 4 months, so this is my 4th box. I am a BoxyLuxe member as well. And this just selection didn't intrigue me. This is a festival-inspired box. This is great for the younger generation, the festival goers, the people that like that bright stuff. I'm 30. I like some neutral colored eyeshadows. I like some plum colored eyeshadows. I like a neutral or a pink lip. I don't really explore outside of my comfort zone when it comes to makeup. But the good thing is what I don't like, I pass on to you guys. So you guys will be seeing what I will be giving away from this box. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside. So first of all, they sent over the postcard theme. They actually sent 2 by accident. It says Peace, Love, and Boxy, and it has cacti on it. And this is variation number 6. So variation number 6 for my box. There are a few things in here that I feel, yes, I will use. So I'm not totally disappointed with my box. I just wish that it would have been something where I felt like I would have used almost everything. So the first item I'm going to start with is Everyone. This is a non-variation product. Got this in their BoxyCharm box. This is the Luxie The Summer Days 3-piece brush set. It has a retail value of $28. Let me go ahead and pop it out of its little baggie here. So 3 brushes total. They are super cute. I definitely do feel that I will get use out of these. They have the gold ferrule. The handle is pink and it ombres down. I've seen some people talking and saying that it ombres down to orange. To me, it ombres down to a sand color, so like a light brown color. Definitely reminds me of a summer sunset. The way you have the pink in the sunset casting over the beach. So I guess more of a beach sunset. Because like I said, it looks like pink gradiating into a sand color. So the description for the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set is, the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 5112 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So this item I am definitely happy with, so that was definitely more than the value of my box. The next item I'm going to grab here on top, this is from Appeal Cosmetics. I've never heard of Appeal Cosmetics before. I like the packaging with the chromatic top. And it says here, Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss has a retail value of $21. It says, deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with this Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. The holographic lip gloss works well alone or on a top coat of your favorite lippy. Give it a multi-dimension argan oil infused shine. So this is another product in the box that I definitely feel like I would keep. I feel like the camera isn't doing it justice. It definitely feels like it has a shift of pink and gold shimmer with a little touch of green. I definitely look forward to using this as a lip topper over lipstick or liquid lipstick, even paired with other glosses. So this was a keeper for me. The next item we have here is a highlighter. This is from Artist Couture. And it says that it has a retail value of $27. It says this all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish to layer on for an unreal glow. So the color I received mine in is in Purple Days. Now, looking at the color, I thought that it would be a purple color, like a very pretty pastel purple, and I think that it might have undertones there, but in the actual packaging, this does not look like a purple color at all. So that is the back of the color. You can see the color there. It looks very intense orange almost. But you know what? I'm going to keep this. I'm going to give it a try. I love highlighters. Highlighters, they sheer out nicely, and I really hope that this one kind of has a little purple shift to it, hence the name. So that was a keeper for me in the box. So not a total disappointment in the box. There are 3 things that I will keep and I will use. The rest of the items are going to be stuff that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. So the first item here is the Boxycharm eye pencil. It has a retail value of $14. It says the super smooth coconut oil infused eye pencil glides on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. The Boxycharm eye pencil is rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a perfectly smoky effect. And the color this one came in is called Bally Bronze. So it is a bronze color. I'm just a sucker when it comes to eyeliner. I am stuck in my ways. I love a good black liner. Kind of frustrates me because BoxyCharm has the beauty quiz. I have a set to where I like liquid liners, prefer liquid liners, and they send me a pencil liner. So you know what? Pass it on to you guys. The last thing, which was like the big showstopper that everybody was crazing about in the BoxyCharm this month, is the Pure Cosmetics, which is the Pure the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. This has a retail value of $36. It says unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. Form boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. So when I seen this palette from the get-go, it just did not grab at my attention. I knew I would not wear this. I was a little disappointed that the biggest item in the box this month was something that I just had no interest in. Now, I did pop the seal on it so that I could open the box to show you guys. I did not take the plastic sheeting off of it because I'm going to be giving it away. I have no use for this. So this is the Pure Festival palette. You open it up. Like I said, mine still has the sheet on it. I'm going to leave that on. And yeah, it has some nice neutral tones in it with shimmers and down here. But these have a lot of orange base, which will end up pulling pink on my skin tone and end up making me look like I have pink eye. I like purple, but that's a little too purple for me. Pink is a little too exciting for my life. These glitters are gorgeous and a real showstopper in the palette. So I want to be able to pass this on to somebody that's really going to enjoy it versus letting it sit in my collection. That's why I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So the information for the giveaway is that Monday, I'm posting this video today on Friday. Monday, I will post a separate video showing the palette once again, showing the eyeliner once again, and right now I'm going to go ahead and give you guys all the details of what you need to know. It's going to be open to U.S. residents only because shipping outside the U.S. is a little bit on the hefty side, so I want to keep it reasonable. And the giveaway will go for a whole week. So from Monday to Monday. On Tuesday, I will post a video with the winner of the Pure Festival palette as well as the Boxycharm eyeliner. And in order to enter the giveaway, you must, 1, be a subscriber of my channel, because I need to know that you guys are supporting me and this isn't just a one-sided thing where I'm just giving something away. And I know with these giveaways, a lot of people, they'll subscribe and then they'll unsubscribe, but there will be future giveaways because there will be other stuff in BoxyCharm that I plan to not keep. And like I said, I'd rather it not sit in my collection. So you must be a subscriber. You must be 18 years of age or have parental consent to enter. And I want you to leave me a comment below, since this is kind of summer-esque and festival inspired, telling me, well, not a comment below on this video, a comment below on the Monday video, And I want the comment to be telling me what is your favorite thing to do during the summer, whether it be girls trips, going hiking, going kayaking, going to festivals, going to concerts, whatever you like to do for the summer. And then I will use a randomizer, and I will record myself using the randomizer, and I will announce the winner on Tuesday from the Monday video. So Monday it will go up. Winner will be announced the Tuesday after Easter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye everyone.